Welcome to the demonstration on creating a stream in the Data Exchange Administration site. For this demonstration, we will be using the OS 2200 application group as the source. Before you begin creating a stream, ensure that you have one or more transformation deployed from DTW. You can see the deployed transformation in the Transformation tab of the Administration site page. To create a stream, click the Streams tab. You can see that no stream has been created yet. Click Create. On the Basic tab, enter the name and give a description for the stream. The transformations that are not associated with any streams are displayed for selection. Currently, we have only one transformation, DMS to Kafka. Let's select this transformation. The OS 2200 service and the runtime service pool list the services that are registered with DEMS, belong to the same environment, and are of the same version as the current administration site. The OS 2200 service field lists the Data Exchange OS 2200 services. Select the desired service. The runtime service pool lists all the available runtime services. Since we have installed only one runtime service, let's select that as the primary runtime service. By default, the data transformation are run by the primary runtime service you select. If you want to enable the scale-out feature for the stream, turn on the Enable Scale-out toggle. Note that if you enable the scale-out feature, the transaction will no longer be committed in the chronological order. So if the operation in the source database follow a logical order, avoid using the scale-out feature. The administrative service distributes the data transformation task among multiple runtime services if available, or among multiple threads for a single runtime service. This improves the performance of the CDT. In the scale factor box, enter the number of CDT sessions that you want to run in parallel. Based on the scale factor you enter, the administrative service automatically assigns the scale ID to each CDT session. AIS is used as an interface between the ClearPath host and Data Exchange to run a BDT. Enter the AIS connection name, user code, and password. On the Kafka Target tab, based on your requirement, select one option from the Kafka Publishing mode. In the Avro Converter mode, each record update is a single Avro message, and in the DE Batch mode, multiple messages are grouped into badges in a unified Kafka message format. We will select the DE Batch mode. Enter the Bootstrap server names and the port numbers in the Bootstrap server box in the format specified. All Kafka records are organized into topics. Enter the topic name in the topic box. Select Delivery Acknowledgement. The client ID is Data Exchange. Enter the other producer configuration in the format specified. If you want to turn on the secure connection for the targets, click Show. This adds the Advanced Settings tab before the Create Stream tab. Click Next. On the Advanced Settings tab, you can configure the secure connection for the targets. For this demo, we will not enable the secure connection. You can also configure the target commit handling policy for the targets if the target is SQL Server or Oracle. On the Create Stream tab, verify that the details you have entered are correct. And then click Create. The stream named Stream 1 is created. You can see this on the Streams tab with the status not started. You can also view the stream in the Source Data Location pane under the Source Data Store. While creating a stream, you may get a few warning messages. These warnings will not stop the creation of stream, but they alert you about the issue that may occur while performing the data transformation. So make sure you fix them before performing a BDT or a CDT. Now that you have created a stream, you can run a BDT and CDT for the stream. For detailed information on how to create stream, refer to the section Managing Stream in the Data Exchange Information Center.